Welcome to 540 Maintenance, a web series brought to you by DataDis, where we'll discuss the industry with different guests, partners, associations, and industry experts. Why 540 Maintenance? Because at DataDis, we exceed expectations. For us, 360 degrees is not enough. We take your maintenance to 540 degrees. Follow us for a different web series where we talk about serious subjects without taking ourselves too seriously.
Welcome back to the 540 Maintenance, a web series by DataDis. I'm Marjolaine, Marketing Coordinator.
And I'm Catherine, Strategic Partnership Manager. For this episode, we have the privilege of having another one of our partners with us again, Scott Currie Mills from TransPlus.
Yeah, we're really excited for this episode. Should be very good. So let's dive into it.
Scott, thank you so much for being here with us today.
My pleasure, Catherine. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you as well. Do you want to introduce yourself a little bit for people who don't know you?
Sure. My name is Scott Currie Mills. I'm at TransPlus. I've been working at TransPlus Software since 2002, so from a very long time employee.
You're aging yourself.
Yes,
oh my
I know.
God.
Yeah, I know. I don't look it though, right? I'm still young at heart.
Absolutely.
Yeah, no, I started off as an engineer, as a developer, and then headed up some just variety of different roles along the way. Heading up the product team right now.
Nice.
So Scott, can you tell us a little bit more about what TransPlus does?
Sure. So our main offering, and has for over 20 years, has been a TMS application. So it's a TMS application for carriers, 3PLs, brokers alike to use. The goal has always been with our design is to make it as intuitive as possible, to make it as easy to use as possible. I know these are just buzzwords, but it really is. It's right in our design. It's right down to the basic fundamentals of how we approach putting something in place or putting an enhancement in place is to not only make it understandable and easy to use, but also comprehensive. We want you using our application and not really having to flip around in between and do that context switching from application to application. So all of that thought and all of that design goes into every decision that we make to provide this application.
Mm-hmm. And is TransPlus a Canadian company?
Yes, it's Canadian. We're based out of, we started in Guelph, Ontario.
Nice.
Our office is now in, you can't see it, but we're in a new office in Kitchener right now. So Kitchener-Waterloo area. But yeah, since 1995 is when our founders started the company. And we've been going strong ever since. Very similar paths, if I recall from all of our previous conversations and partnership, is the focus on customer, the start, the love and passion for software, and to helping improve and improve efficiencies for our customers. Yeah. You can leverage your own experience and expertise to offer that maintenance and asset system that you have, and we can offer leverage our experience with the TMS side of things, the dispatching and the planning side of things. And just tying the two really good systems together as seamlessly as possible provides a good experience all around for our mutual customers.
Absolutely. I'd say both our products together for sure makes our product better. And I'm hoping makes your product a little better.
Yeah, definitely. It's you can't be all things to all people. So partner up with people that are good at what they do. And that's what we've done. That's what you've done.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
Can you tell us more about the integration and how it's worked? Because we know
it ties back to sort of what I was talking to at the start, is when our users, our dispatchers are in our software, we want them to have all of the information, at their fingertips, so that they can make informed decisions. They don't have to open up a bunch of different applications or call down to the garage and understand what's going on with a particular truck or trailer or whatever the case may be. So the integration itself is just to help improve efficiency. So reduce duplicate data entry. If a unit gets entered and details get entered into the mirror system, it's automatically reflected in the TMS application, the fleet manager system, and vice versa. So you get that two-way information, the assets being created and synced in both directions, as well as any sort of maintenance notes. So dispatchers in our software can see when there's upcoming maintenance at a glance. They look at the history of an asset, of a truck, and they can see the notes right from the garage, right from the guys doing the work on the unit itself. So it's just to tie the two systems together so that efficiencies can be and then in the garage as well, so in the maintenance shop as well, so that if they've added a whole bunch of units up in the TMS application, why would you make somebody go and enter all that information again, right? So just things like that. So and I guess the other really power for me of the integration itself is the notifications that the dispatchers will get. Is that if they go to try to dispatch out or plan out a truck, it's going to let them know that because of the information that came out of the mirror system, it's going to let them know that it has an upcoming maintenance scheduled, and maybe it's not the right asset to be planning out at that particular time. So again, information at your fingertips.
Absolutely. Like you were saying, just centralizing all the information, getting the necessary notifications. We have I don't know if you mentioned it, but the status synchronization as well.
Exactly. Is the truck even available for use? Did it suffer an accident? How bad is the accident? Well, let's dig into it and see the notes and what's being done to repair it.
So Scott, I am a fleet trucking company and I'm looking for a dispatch solution. Why? Other than your smile, why would I come?
I think it's the smile of our whole team here. We've been, as we talked about, we've been around since 1995, so that builds a lot of proven experience. We have a lot of knowledge. We have a different approach to our application itself. Does have a different approach to managing the assets and the loads from other applications out there. I think that's one big asset for us and one difference. The other is obviously our team. It's where our focus on customer support. We have a very loyal customer base because of it. Our customers know that when they call us, they're going to be talking to somebody right away.
Crazy concept.
Yeah, I know. Could you imagine? No. So we build relationships with our customers. It's that professionalism, but it's also that level of customer service that you don't see as much anymore. I think it's very important, and it's something that, in my opinion, anyways, I think it's something that TransPlus has been very good at and continues to excel at. So.
Yeah, no, I agree. I feel like I can bring in my 2 cents on this.
Really.
I feel like TransPlus definitely has the human side, I guess, if that makes sense. Like it really resonated with me when you were saying like people call and crazy enough, we answer and we know the names of that's definitely the way to do things. I think you're totally right. It's sadly going away in a lot of businesses. But that's definitely
and not to interrupt, Catherine, but I back to the parallels between our two companies. That I can attest to the fact that you and your company believe in that as well. So it is nice to see that that's still something that companies hold very high value. Put a high value. Sorry.
Yeah. The Canadian in us, it's coming out.
I think so. It must be, right? Yeah, definitely.
Must be.
Definitely.
So is there something else TransPlus related you'd like to share with us?
Yeah, sure. I love to share about TransPlus. I'm very passionate about TransPlus. I can talk for days. Honestly, when you like what you do, the day goes by so much more quickly. From a TransPlus perspective, we're always evolving. I mean, I think that's a thread through the whole conversation. We're always enhancing our product. We're always integrating with great partners like DataDis and Mir, the Mir product. One of the things that we've started doing now, or pleased to announce, is we have a hosted solution. So we can take that entire burden away from our customers, where we can take that whole burden, that whole maintenance and and management of the hardware and the software for an internal network, the licensing, the backing up, all of that right out of our customers' hands, and just give them a complete solution, like this end-to-end package. And I really think in today's day that customers really like that. I think that they come to a value partner, they trust the recommendation that's being provided them, the ease of it, the simplicity of it, and then they walk away and they have this perfect solution that's working for them, this perfect software that they don't have to spend any more time thinking of, managing, backing up, all of the, so very happy that we've been able to do that for our customers. I think it was something that was long overdue, and we're very proud of it, and we're constantly evolving that as well. So yeah.
So Scott, thank you so much for being here with us. This was great. Thanks for taking the time. And
thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure to talk about TransPlus. As you can tell, I do enjoy to
yeah.
If people want to reach out to you or want to take a look at TransPlus, do you guys have social media, LinkedIn?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So we have our website's at transplus.io. There's lots of contact information on there for getting in touch with the sales team or myself or whomever at the team. There's you want to talk to the customer success, customer support team. The number's there as well. We're always happy to talk. And then of course we have there's a LinkedIn account under TransPlus Software and a Facebook account as well. So there's a
great. Thank you. Thank you also, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoy it. We'll put all the information you just said on our website. And yeah, see you next time.
Okay.
See you next time.
You know what? I really wish I could. Honestly, I really wish I could speak in French.
So the next question is in French. No. So, because every company is unique, it's important to have customizable. Let me rephrase that.
For this week's
I hate the outro.
1, 2, 3. Action.